It has to be here. There you are. Hello? It's alive. It's real.
The animated story video you saw was created by me simply typing a basic story idea. In this video, I'll introduce you to an all-in-one AI platform that can turn a simple story concept into a fully animated video with minimal effort. Powered by an intelligent AI agent and cutting-edge models, it automates the entire process from script creation to animation. And above all, it is completely free at the moment. Sounds impressive? Let's dive in and see how it works.
Before going further, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon.
Step 1. To get started, click the link in the description below to visit the Anijam AI website. Anijam AI is a powerful platform for animated content creation that streamlines the entire production workflow from start to finish. Once you're on the website, scroll down to explore a gallery of impressive videos created by other users. By clicking on any of them, you can view more details, including the prompt that was used, and even create a similar video yourself. Getting started is simple. Just click Start for free and sign up using your Gmail account or any other email address. Quick note, this powerful AI agent works seamlessly on both desktop and mobile browsers. That means you can get started and create amazing animated content directly from your smartphone, anytime and anywhere. Step 2. This is the home page, where everything starts. As you can see, you'll receive credits to get started. On top of that, the platform rewards you with extra credits through daily check-ins, giving you more opportunities to experiment and create content for free. To begin creating an animated video, I'll simply paste my prompt in the description box. There's no need to write out a detailed story or lengthy description. Then click the arrow button. Next, we'll be taken to the Canvas Studio. On the right-hand side, you'll find a chat panel where you can interact with the AI. Since we have already given our story idea in a single line, now the AI agent is preparing the story for us. Now, here you'll see 3 modes: AI Director Mode, Workflow Mode, and Oscar Film Mode. Choose whichever suits your workflow best. AI Director Mode automatically generates a complete video concept for you, while Workflow Mode gives you full control over each stage of the creation process, and Oscar Film Mode turns one idea into master-level scripts and videos. For this tutorial, I'll be using AI Director Mode. Next, we will choose the video model. I will go with C-Dance 2.0, and then click on Confirm. Now the agent is asking us to give him some more information about our story idea, such as the boy's name, etc. Then he is asking what kind of house is it. Then AI is asking about the vibe. So we write name, Eric, mysterious hut, magical twist, and then click on the up arrow. After that, you can choose your target audience, whether it's for all ages, kids, or teenagers. I'll select kids, then pick your preferred platform. I'll keep it set to YouTube. In aspect ratio, I choose 16:9, and in audio mode, I will go with dialogue. For time duration, you can either click the plus icon to increase it, or the minus icon to reduce it. For this tutorial, I'll set it to 0.5 minutes, which is 30 seconds. Then, click Confirm. It starts creating story outline for each scene and video structure. Once again, the AI agent is asking us what kind of output we want, either dialogue-driven or visual storytelling. I choose dialogue-driven option for this story. In this way, you can select whatever information the AI agent asks you about the story according to your preference. Before generating the final outline, it will ask us if we want to edit any of the story outlines. Once we are satisfied, click Generate Outline. Now it's time to give a visual identity for our story. At the top, it automatically generates style design options as recommendations that the AI feels match your story. If you want a different style, just click on the style library. There are many styles to choose from. But I will go with epic fantasy adventure. Here, you can see the story has been generated with a clear structure, including characters and locations. If everything looks good, click Generate All Concepts. All generated concepts will automatically appear in the canvas. It arranges each scene along with the production plan structure. Now, our visual world is built. Let's bring it to life with video. For this purpose, click on the Start Video Generation button. Now, as you can see, you have the option to generate everything at once, or generate one by one. I'll select Generate All at once. It will immediately generate our 30-second film in one go. Next step is to generate background music. So click on Generate BGM and within few seconds it generates background music. Now, all video clips and the soundtrack are ready. Just click on Render Preview Video. Now it will start combining all the assets. Finally, click here to download it directly to your computer. Let's preview the result.
Whoa, 回家。
The result is outstanding. Just imagine the kind of content you can make using anijam AI. These kind of animated story videos are among the easiest content formats to make go viral. There's nothing holding you back from creating your own animated videos with anijam. Just click the link below to get started.
If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.